हाँ, the given, the speed is given and dv by dt is given as this much. Retardation is given, right? He's telling the time taken by the object to come to rest is so much. Solve करो and time find करो. Options शायद I'll give 2481 seconds. Mano, any idea? I want time taken by the object to come to rest would be. देखो, dv by dt, I'll give clue. dv by dt is given as minus 2.5 root v. Okay.
Yeah.
टाइम चाहिए, राइट? ओके, मैं क्या करूंगा, dv d रूट v एक जगह में लेके आ रहा हूँ. dv by root v is equal to minus 2.5 dt.
Oh, so then we can integrate both, right?
Yes, integrate करो. Now integrate both sides. Okay, so you can put here. Here dt is a time limits you have to use. Initial time t equal 0 में, what is the initial velocity is how much they given? 6.25 meters they given.
Oh, not 0. Oh,
T में velocity is how much?
0.
0. Now find time on this. Integrate. रूट वी मालूम है ना, रूट वी इज होल पावर -1/2 ऊपर का. करो इंटीग्रेशन 10 टेल द आंसर. So this is nothing but v power -1/2 dv 6.2520 is equal to -2.5 बाहर and dt का इंटीग्रेशन is t, अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट t -0. नो इसको आता है ना x for n plus 1 by n plus 1. करो चलो आंसर.
So that's 2.
करेक्ट. 2 seconds. आता है x power n plus 1 by n. So v power n plus 1. So 1 is 1/2 by 1/2. Okay, limits are from 6.25 to 0 is equal to -2.5 t. So 2 बाहर आ जाएगा. So 0 power 1/2 minus 6.25 whole power 1/2, right, is equal to minus 2.5 t. Root 6.25 is how much? Follow. Root 6.25 is how much, Krisha?
2.5.
2.5.
So 2.5 cancel, minus cancel. So t equal to seconds. So आपको rearrange करके इंटीग्रेट करने का to get the value of time. Okay, चलो next. ट्राई करो। श्रुति मे बी यू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, तो बिकॉज बीच में टॉपिक है ना थोड़ा, मे बी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में विल अंडरस्टैंड। 2-3 प्रॉब्लम्स के बाद विल स्टार्ट द न्यू टॉपिक, वी विल सी। So the given t is equal to alpha x square plus beta x. He is trying to find retardation is x is displacement. Find करो, मतलब
So
acceleration
here
find
we
करने
will
का।
use double differentiation, right?
हाँ, double differentiation use कर solve करो।
So, but how can we use double differentiation?
How can you use means मैं क्या करूँ? ये करो। We done this type of problem last time. थोड़ा याद है? थोड़ा, you know this one.
Yes, sir, but in that they gave in terms of displacement, right?
In terms of displacement, you tell me y is equal to x square is there. Okay, and x is a function of time. What we have to do?
My bad. dy by d. Oh, 2x into dx by
2x
dt.
into dx by dt ऐसा करने का, and dx by dt is nothing but velocity ऐसा। Okay, try. So I'll give options.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, in physics में logarithms comes.
थोड़ा उतना टाइम वेस्ट मत करो। लॉगरिथम्स उतना ओनली 2 formulas log m by n, that 2-3 formulas only we have to learn, that's it, ज्यादा formulas नहीं। log m
Why
minus
do
log
you
n,
use log, sir?
yeah, we'll see। हाँ आ गया मानो।
So I got minus 2 alpha v cube.
minus 2 alpha v cube।
So wait, sir, I did a mistake. 1 second.
Yeah, do। कृष्णा किधर तक आया?
Sir, I'm not getting. Sir, how do you differentiate?
फर्स्ट विद रिस्पेक्ट टाइम क्या, विद रिस्पेक्ट टाइम कितना है टेल में? 1
No, sir. Sir, I took x common.
x कॉमन वगैरह नहीं है आपको,
Sir, if I
एक्सेलरेशन
take
चाहिए।
sir, if I take x common and then if I send that to the numerator, then I'll get it dx by dt directly.
नहीं मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, with respect to time, because we want retardation में acceleration के लिए velocity चाहिए ना, velocity चाहिए। so velocity के लिए आपको you differentiate with respect to time। d by dt of t is 1 इसको अल्फा बाहर आ जाएगा। so कितना आएगा टेल में? x square का differentiation will be 2x into dx by dt, right? because x is a function of time, we are doing with respect to time, okay, plus beta will be coming
Sir, I
outside.
didn't understand it.
This one you done, na?
Sir, I didn't understand it.
See, you tell me this one. Y is equal to x square is there. Okay. What is the answer for dy by dx is how much? And dy by dt is how much? Tell me. With respect to x, when you're doing x variable is there, directly one formula लगाने का कौन सा है? X square का differentiation is 2x. इस आता है ना? This one understood? But when you're doing with respect to time, but here no variable, but x is a function of time. X is a function of time. In that case में we have to use this formula। देखो, normal 2x into विद रिस्पेक्ट टाइम वाला करने का dx by dt करने का, ये वाला एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप विल बी यूजफुल ऑलवेज व्हेन फंक्शन ऑफ टाइम है, तो नॉट एग्जैक्ट सेम वेरिएबल रहेगा बट दैट इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ टाइम, देन वी हैव टू यूज दिस वन ऑलवेज सेम थिंग यू आर यूजिंग. देखो हियर विद रिस्पेक्ट टाइम वी आर डूइंग x square का डिफरेंशिएशन, x is a function, displacement is a function of time. देखो relation between the time and the displacement. So x square का डिफरेंशिएशन is 2x into dx by dt. क्या है समझ में? प्लस बीटा इज कांस्टेंट, कॉमन आएगा. सो क्या आएगा? dx का इंटीग्रेशन इज x का इंटीग्रेशन इज dx by dt. ये तक आया क्वेश्चन क्लियर? ये तक अंडरस्टूड क्वेश्चन?
So why 1?
Differentiation d by dt of t is how much?
1.
But that only one. We are differentiating with respect to time, each one. Either since x is a function of time, since we are doing differentiation with respect to time, that's why dx by dt aaya. Okay. Now, what is dx by dt? What is dx by dt is called as?
Velocity.
Rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Now, v में convert करो. Then only so the acceleration v में आ गया ना, v में convert करो.
I have a
One is
doubt.
equal- हाँ, tell me.
Sir, I got velocity as 1 by 2 alpha x plus beta, and then when
हाँ.
I do the differentiation of it, will it be
नहीं. हाँ.
minus 1 by 2 alpha x plus beta whole square into dv by dt?
देखो उधर थोड़ा दिमाग लगाओ, देखेंगे. इधर तक अंडरस्टूड, स्टेप अंडरस्टूड क्लियर? ओके, फ्रॉम दिस v कॉमन लिया तो क्या आएगा? v कॉमन तो 2 alpha x plus beta is equal to 1. Therefore v you got as 1 by 2 alpha x plus beta. Okay. Now देखो velocity in terms of displacement is given, not time, right? Displacement terms में दिया ना. So I can use this formula. A is equal to, formula याद है? A is equal to v into dv by dx. You can use this one, right? Now you don't differentiate with respect to time. You differentiate with respect to x only directly. You differentiate with respect to x only. करो differentiate करो. dv by dx करो, कितना होगा? 1 by x का डिफरेंशिएशन याद है ना कृष्णा? याद है ना 1 by x का? Which is x we are doing now. Okay. Why we can use this formula? Acceleration retardation चाहिए ना? So v into dv by dx, right? So dv by dx we are doing. Then substituting here we'll get acceleration. Okay. Now dv by dx is how much? Chain rule you can use. Tell me. 1 by x का differentiation is minus 1 by 2 alpha x plus beta whole square into differentiation of this one. कितना होगा differentiation of this one? Chain rule याद है ना कृष्णा? Chain rule. Whatever you assume that has x को differentiate करने का, फिर से differentiate करो किसका? 2 alpha x plus beta. Beta is
2
constant.
alpha.
2 alpha. खत्म. So you got this one, right? Now substitute dv by dx. How much you got? Minus 2 alpha by 2 alpha x plus beta square. Okay, but velocity कितना है? Velocity कितना है? 1 by 2 alpha x plus beta, right?
But
So
sir,
what
we have to take into v also, right?
हाँ v सब्सिट्यूट करेंगे इधर. a is equal to v into इसके जगह में minus 2 alpha by 2 alpha x plus beta whole square. Tell me. Now what is 1 by 2 alpha x plus beta is nothing but v only. So v square आया. So v square into v is v cube, right? So a is equal to minus 2 alpha v cube. Okay. This is what we got. Okay. This is answer. Negative acceleration, that is called retardation only. See, these are questions, JEE means questions only. So we can't do anything. So आपको थोड़ा हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ेगा इसका. So that तो मालूम हो गया. That तो आपको इंटीग्रेशन डिफरेंशिएशन आता है. बट थोड़ा इधर उधर करके आपको देखो इधर डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दिस फॉर्मूला विल बी हेल्पफुल सो मच. चलो करेगा कृष्णा? आइडिया? So two types of differentiation, understand Krisha. आपको with respect to time you are doing means normal one, if the time is the time करने का, नहीं तो you have to go for into करके करना पड़ेगा. Okay, चलो करो.
Richard, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me. Previous problem, huh?
Yeah, sir. How did differentiation of 1 by 2 alpha x plus beta become minus 2 alpha?
देखो y is equal to 1 by x का differentiation is, tell me how much? dy by dx is how much?
Minus 1
By
minus 1 by 2x.
x square.
X square. हाँ.
X square, right? So that's why x मान लो, this is, you treat as x. 1 by x का differentiation क्या होगा? Minus 1 by x square. But whether this is not in standard format, it is not x, right? Not standard format. उसको क्या करने का? चेन रूल यूज करने का. चेन रूल क्या है? वॉट एवर यू एज्यूम एज एक्स, उसको फर्दर डिफरेंशिएट करने का. ओके, इनटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ दिस वन 2 अल्फा एक्स इज 2 अल्फा एंड बीटा का वैल्यू इज कांस्टेंट. चेन रूल बोलते हैं. डिफरेंशिएशन में स्टार्टिंग में आई थिंक यू मिस्ड, आई थिंक सो. एक बार डिफरेंशिएशन देखो, चेन रूल का कॉन्सेप्ट देखो, चेन रूल का. टेल मी, सपोज y इज इक्वल टू e पावर 2x, dy by dx is how much? dy by dx is तुषार बोलो.
e power 2x into 2.
So since देखो e power x का भी नो फॉर्मूला, but it is not in standard format. So क्या करने का? उसको we have to assume as x. मन में सोचो, x मान लो. Okay, so e power x का differentiation is e power x only. So e power 2x into whatever you assume as x, उसको differentiate करने का. So 2x का differentiation is 2. So this is the answer. 2 into e power 2x. Okay, थोड़ा chain rule एक बार देखो. Some examples, 4-5 examples are there. वीडियो में हो जाएगा. Okay, हाँ एक करो. In terms of alpha and beta में आंसर चाहिए.
So can't we just integrate this thing?
कर लो, वही करने का. Velocity in terms of time is given. It's telling to find distance. Integrate.
So we just need to do integration. That's it.
Integration. That's it. Okay.
Sir,
Sure.
can't we do? Oh, yeah.
Limits are from 1 to 2. Please understand that. Velocity in terms of time is given. He is to find what? This distance. Reverse में जा रहे हैं ना? Reverse का उसमें distance is equal to integral v dt. And limits are, since dt is there, limits का time का limits डालने का. Time का limits are 1 to 2. Substitute answer.
So what would be the integration of alpha t?
Alpha is constant. Alpha dt आएगा, right?
Sir, I got alpha
Theta
by
is t
alpha
power 1.
plus beta by 2.
आंसर कितना है?
3 alpha by 2 minus 7 beta by 3 plus c.
असल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिफरेंट इंटीग्रल में c नहीं आएगा. डिफरेंट इंटीग्रल में c विल नॉट कम. एंड दूसरा माइनस रॉन्ग है, माइनस नहीं है.
Sorry,
Sir, I got
plus
alpha plus
plus
beta by
second
2.
अल्फा प्लस
Beta by 2.
है, नो रॉन्ग.
sir plus
आप
7
करेक्ट
beta.
है. हाँ हाँ मानो.
Sir, c won't be there.
डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल व्हेनेवर लिमिट्स लगाए तो उसको डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल बोलते हैं. डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल में c विल नॉट कम. व्हेन
Okay.
इंडेफिनेट इंटीग्रल में c विल कम. हाँ हाँ इंटीग्रेशन करो, इंटीग्रल हाँ करो, वी की जगह में अल्फा टी प्लस बीटा टी स्क्वायर टाइम्स डी टी एंड लिमिट्स आर फ्रॉम 1 to 2. S is equal to देखो ईच वन को इंटीग्रेट करने का, अल्फा विल बी कमिंग आउटसाइड, टी डी टी का इंटीग्रेशन इज टी स्क्वायर बाई 2
Yeah.
प्लस बीटा इज कमिंग आउटसाइड and integration of t square is t cube by 3. Some limits are 1 to 2. So कितना सबसे करो, alpha into 4 by 2 is 2, 2 minus 1 by 2. How much? 3 by 2. Plus beta times of 2 cube 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So कितना? 7 by 3, right? So कितना होगा? 3 alpha by 2 plus 7 by 3 beta. So
Oh, that's the answer?
हाँ, this is answer. आया? चलो चलो लास्ट क्वेश्चन करो। फ्रेंड्स मैं ये आंसर बोला विदाउट हेल्प, पूरा मैं ही सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ।
Sir, x is
alpha root x, v is alpha root x, x is not normal displacement. The displacement of the particle varies with time. I want relation between x and t. मतलब they given like t square t power 1 by 2.
so
Thank
what
you.
if
So again, we just need to integrate only, no, in this.
आप कुछ भी करो, t is proportional to what? X is proportional to what?
okay.
Same model little bit we done before, उसी मॉडल में करने का।
Sir, alpha is constant, no?
Alpha is constant.
Sir, it's t square. A.
Very good. T square. Good. Same
It's
model.
like that. It's like that first question you gave.
Yes, same model. dx by dt में we are bringing is equal to alpha root x So क्या करेंगे? dx by root x is equal to alpha and dt. So you are integrating both sides. I want displacement of the particular x है ना. So from initial dt का limits are t equal 0 में initial displacement is 0 and t equal t में velocity is v. Now integrate. You'll get the answer as something value आएगा x is proportional to t square आएगा. कर सकते हैं पहला आया प्रणव व्हाट टी स्क्वायर बोल के हाँ इंटीग्रेट करो x पर 1/2 ऊपर लगेगा तो x पर -1/2 अगेन x पर 1/2 by 1/2 अल्फा कांस्टेंट अल्फा बाहर आएगा t आया देखो x पर -1/2 का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा x पर 1/2 by 1/2 लिमिट्स आर फ्रॉम 0 to v इज इक्वल टू अल्फा इनटू t का लिमिट्स आर t बिकॉज dt का t t - 0 इज t नो सॉल्व करो 2 बाहर आ जाएगा रूट वी -0 is equal to alpha t. We want which one? Displacement, right? So x v का लिमिट्स डाल रहा हूँ ना जब 0 to x ले x का लिमिट्स है ना विथ उल्टा x ये भी x हाँ so root x is equal so 2 root x is equal to alpha t. So squaring of both sides क्या होगा x is equal to alpha square by 4 into t square. That means x is proportional to t square. है सो आपको डायरेक्टली दिया तो सॉल्व करना आने का एंड ऐसा मॉडल दिया तो आपको रीअरेंज करके सॉल्व करने का. ओके चलो द न्यू टॉपिक which is graphs. हाँ श्रुति ये देखो थोड़ा समझ में आएगा ये तो कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा ग्राफ्स का. Okay, so see this worksheet I will place like minimum DPP I will place topic wise. You try to finish the topic wise finish कर लो. Next class आने तक वो parallelly you try to finish. It will be easy for you to complete. Okay, चलो graphs का. So we have how many types of graphs will be? Any graphs idea? Krisha, any idea? Graphs ka? How many types of graphs are there? Okay. We will see we have different types of graphs like displacement time graph, velocity time graph, acceleration time graph, velocity displacement time, velocity displacement graph, v square displacement graph will be there, acceleration displacement time graph will be there. These all graphs ka we will learn detail. एक एक का क्या दिया तो क्या आएगा बोल के. Easy है. Concept is easy. इसमें नया कुछ फॉर्मूला नहीं है. First one is displacement time graph. लिखो displacement time graph. Okay, इसका क्या करना है देखो. तो suppose मान लो I given displacement time graph. Okay, this is a graph I given. I want to find the slope of this graph. I want to find slope of this graph. Slope means क्या है? What is the meaning of slope? Slope means x-axis से how much angle the line is there. उसका tan theta is called slope. तो क्या है slope of this line क्या है x axis से how much angle I am putting उसका tan theta. So slope is nothing but tan theta is called slope. Okay, and what is the slope formula here? देखो याद है formula slope का formula y2 minus straight line
y2 - y1 by x1
tan theta.
y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 and y-axis में what is there? Displacement is there, right? So s y की जगह में s लगा रहा हूँ. s2 minus
delta s by delta t.
So x-axis में t2 minus t1. So what is delta s by delta t? Rate of change of displacement is called what?
Velocity.
खत्म. That means I can tell simply that slope of displacement time graph gives velocity. Very important, लिखो. Slope of displacement time graph gives velocity. So whenever they ask to find velocity, आप check करो which graph is given. Displacement time graph is given means slope find करो simply to get velocity. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 find करने का to find velocity. Okay. दूसरा slope का कहानी थोड़ा समझो, तो समझो it will be easy. का बेटा? So what is the formula? Slope find करने के y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Suppose मान लो displacement time graph is given, ऐसा दिया, so 0, 5, 10, 20. Find velocity. This is 15. Okay. Find velocity in OA region, in AB region, in BC region. Find karo.
That's the area, right?
No. Which graph is given? Displacement time graph is given. How to find velocity? Slope. Slope of displacement time graph gives velocity.
So
slope
first
find
one
करना
is
आता है?
4.
Huh?
First one is 4.
Next one.
Second one will be also 4.
नहीं wrong. देखेंगे क्या है 4 क्या है देखेंगे. देखो first understood Shruti, displacement time graph is given. He is asking velocity. We know only one thing. Slope of displacement time graph gives velocity. Slope
So
find
second
करने
one
का
is
formula
0.
हाँ देखेंगे.
Second one is
y2 minus
0.
y1 by x2 minus x1 is slope, right? Now देखो इसका coordinates क्या है? Shruti tell me which coordinates here? 0, 0. इसका coordinates क्या होगा? x में 5, y में 20. So 5, 20. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now use the formula. y2 minus y1 मतलब 20 minus 0 by x2 minus x1 5 minus 0. So 20 by 5 is 4. 4 meters per second is the answer. Now same way to AB find करो. AB का coordinates 5, 20. Either is 10, 20. So y2 minus y1 means 20
0,
minus
It's just
0.
0.
0.5.
So 0. समझ में आया ना? So this is 0. Next BC का देखो. BC का 10, 20. This is x axis में y will be 0. 15, 0. Now कितना होगा? y2 minus y1 0. So minus 20 by
Minus 20 by 25. No, minus 20 by 5.
5.
Minus
5.
4.
Minus
Minus
4.
4.
Minus 4 meters per second. Okay. So whenever graph is given, you should be always check which graph is given. Displacement time, velocity time, kaun sa graph hai. So displacement time graph is given. We can find velocity directly. We can tell velocity directly. Okay. Anshuda? Yalla. So here something you have to understand how to find slope के बारे में little bit understand करेंगे. कैसे find करेंगे देखेंगे. Copied? चलो. Now we'll see different cases of position time graphs का. Different cases का position time graph. You tell me about velocity. I'll give displacement time graph. I'll give, ठीक है. I'll give displacement time graph. Tell me. Tell me comment on velocity. Velocity of the particle is how much? The position graph is given like this. Comment on velocity.
So what?
Uniform.
This is position time. Position is nothing but displacement time graph is given to you. What
So
is the
zero.
particle velocity is how much?
0.
Velocity will be 0. Always straight line का graph is we already done, right? Straight line का graph कितना है? Straight line का always 0 आएगा. Slope. Okay. That one you have to see. Based on that one we should tell. Okay. Slope find करके we have to tell whether what the particle is doing. So इसका velocity is 0. मतलब the object is at rest, is not moving. I देखकर नहीं बोलने का. Position time graph means suppose मान लो 5 meters में है. After a certain time also it is 5 meters only. That means the particle is at rest. Okay, slope find करके check करने का always. Okay, now try. इसका tell me about comment on velocity. Velocity
Positive.
velocity is positive and increasing or decreasing?
So
It's increasing.
increasing uniformly.
Wrong. Okay, understand? Always go for a further step. Slope find कर check करो. Then देखो here if I want to find slope, देखो what is slope means x axis draw करूंगा, angle theta, right? Here also x axis draw करूंगा, angle is theta. If here also if I draw, the theta is constant or varying?
Constant.
Theta is constant or varying?
Varying.
What? Who told angle?
Constant.
Constant angle है. Constant theta means tan theta is constant. Tan theta is constant means slope is constant. मतलब velocity is constant, not increasing. ऐसा line देखने का नहीं है. So velocity is constant. And one more thing you have to understand. If theta is less than 90, the slope is always positive. Slope is positive. याद रखो. देखो theta here less than 90 or greater than 90? Less than 90, right? 90 बोलते तो ऐसे है ना, ऐसा है ना, 90 से ज्यादा है तो ऐसा. So less than 90 वाला slope is always positive. Theta is greater than 90 means slope is negative. This one you have to understand. Here theta is less than 90, always slope is positive. Okay, now try. No बोलो. Comment on velocity. Correct बोलने का क्या है? Velocity is increasing, decreasing, constant, and constant positive, constant negative. क्या है बोलो?
So constant negative.
Okay, why constant and negative?
So because theta is
उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Greater than 90 बोलते हैं. Okay, देखो, we will see. X axis draw करो. This is theta. X axis से कितना angle the line is there, that is called slope, right? X axis से this is theta. So theta is constant. That means velocity is constant. First of all. And theta here greater than 90, right? 90 तो ऐसा है ना? Greater than 90. Theta is greater than 90. If theta is greater than 90, what is that? Slope is negative. मतलब velocity is constant and negative. So understand होने का उसका accordingly we have to find. आपको options में मिलेगा. They'll give displacement time graph. They will tell to draw the velocity time graph. कैसे draw करेंगे? Only by using this concept only we have to draw. Okay? समझ में आ रहा है? On the video. Don't know. On the video. Copy it.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me. उसका आंसर बोलो. इसका आंसर बोलो. I'm reviewing. This is like this.
so it's increasing.
देखेंगे उसको बोलने दो. प्रणव मानो बोलो. इसमें वेलोसिटी क्या होगा? वेलोसिटी इज इंक्रीजिंग डिक्रीजिंग पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव पूरा
Increasing.
Yeah.
why
So positively increasing.
why increasing positively? Tell me.
So because theta value is increasing.
Sir,
थीटा
because
कैसे ड्रॉ करके ड्रॉ करो? थीटा
So
कैसे ड्रॉ
draw
करो?
the line parallel to it and draw theta.
No,
Well, draw
this is
from
not
2
theta.
points.
No, we can't draw because it's not a straight line. Straight
Well,
line का
draw
concept
from
ऐसा
two
है.
Then you can
points.
draw a line parallel to the x-axis and then you'll get the
नहीं,
theta
कुछ
as a
नहीं है.
tangent.
ऐसे तो tangent करने का. So point slope, because point slope फाइंड. देखो इस point में slope कैसा है? Draw a tangent to the x-axis. This is called theta. If I want point here, you draw a tangent which cuts at one point. And देखो theta, this is theta 1, theta 2. Theta is increasing or decreasing?
increasing.
Increasing. That means velocity is increasing. The results are so important. Increasing. And iska theta is less than 90, right? Less than 90
Yeah.
means velocity is positive.
So can you show the previous one once?
Delete कर दिया. Okay. which one? This one, right?
Yes.
हाँ, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Tell me. Velocity is constant and negative. That's it. Velocity is constant and negative.
And the other one is positive. So it is
This one is positive.
Okay.
Constant. Okay. Now tell me. Now Mano, you should say.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Sir, for the curve, how do you know from where to draw the tangents?
Curve में कोई भी points ले लो. Curve में any points you take. I want to find slope at this point means you draw a tangent which cuts the x-axis. If you want a slope here means you draw a tangent. Anywhere you can draw.
Okay, sir.
So check करने के लिए I took 2 points. इधर एक point draw किया. Theta is increasing means slope is increasing. That's why velocity is increasing. Okay. Mano, tell me. In this way, what is the things will happen from क्या slope क्या हो रहा है? Velocity क्या change? How it is changing? Tell me.
It's increasing and then it's decreasing.
Increasing.
Like
And-
increasing and then it remains constant and then it decreases.
First of all, इस section में velocity is positive or negative? इस section में and इस section में बोलो, बाद में इस section में बोलो. 3 sections में बोलो.
So I think in the first region it's positive.
Yes. If you draw a tangent, देखो you draw a cut the x-axis, this theta, right? And again, if you draw a tangent, theta. So theta is less than 90, right? Theta is less than 90 means क्या है? Positive.
Positive.
So velocity is positive. Okay. Here,
So
tell
let's
me.
say when you draw two tangents like that, we should just generally check the second tangent, right? Or the first one.
हाँ, मतलब 2 points ले लो. 2 point का different tangents you have to draw
Sir,
and
but
check करने.
isn't it decreasing?
हाँ, कौन सा इसमें है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, decreasing. And इसका?
0.
Velocity is 0. In this section में velocity is 0. Now tell me, velocity is positive or negative in this case में? Draw a tangent and check.
So positive.
Tell me positive or negative, Krisha? This section.
Sir, negative.
You draw a tangent. The tangent, the theta is greater than 90.
That's a negative.
Greater than 90 is negative. So velocity is negative. Just positive negative बोलो, that's it. इसमें positive है, इसमें 0 है, इसमें negative है.
So but can't we draw the tangent from the other side as well?
See, tangent should cut the x-axis. मतलब 1 point, right? ऐसे है तो किधर draw करेगा? ऐसे draw करेगा? Suppose I want to draw tangent at this point. How you will draw tangent? ऊपर से draw
So you
करेगा.
can draw both the ways, right?
Bottom से you want to draw. ऐसा?
Yeah, but even you can do in the other direction also, right?
other direction draw करो. But it should cut the only 1 point. देखो ग्राफ का ऐसा पूरा है तो इधर से कैसे ड्रॉ करेगा? ऐसा कट करेगा, ऐसा ड्रॉ करेगा, ऐसा नहीं है ना.
Yeah, so
So
that's
one-
what can't we do from the other cross as well?
टॉप से ड्रॉ करो ऑलवेज. टॉप से if you draw cut only 1 point कट करने का. Okay. We are not calculating exactly theta. आपको क्या है? Greater than 90 या less than 90. आप जैसे भी ड्रॉ करो 1 point में टच करने का.
So, yeah, got it, understood.
Okay. Shruti, understood till here? Little bit understood, Shruti?
So
For you?
what about y? Like
What about?
when it's touching the x-axis?
Which one?
So if
Touching
the
the
line just touches the x-axis, then what?
This one ना. वही है पूरा ग्राफ का.
No,
देखो
sir, like on the point at the x-axis, it will be 0.
हाँ exact मतलब ऐसा बोल रहा है. Telling?
Yes, sir.
हाँ ऐसा इसका स्लोप क्या है? इसको स्लोप का 0 है.
No, sir.
हाँ.
I'm saying it will intersect the x-axis, and the point where it intersects, what will be the velocity?
कुछ नहीं. वेलोसिटी टाइम t को 0 में वेलोसिटी क्या है? एक्स इसका पोजीशन इज 0, वेलोसिटी इज आल्सो 0, राइट? देयर इज नो चेंज इन पोजीशन. सो व्हेन देयर इज नो चेंज इन पोजीशन देयर इज अ वेलोसिटी 0. ओके, वी विल सी न्यूमेरिकल्स में देखने वाला है. अंडरस्टूड क्लियर पूरा? सो अंडरस्टूड लिटिल बिट. आपको स्लोप ऑफ पोजीशन टाइम ग्राफ यूज वेलोसिटी, दैट वन इज इंपॉर्टेंट. वी आर डूइंग डिस्प्लेसमेंट टाइम ग्राफ फर्स्ट ग्राफ ओनली अभी तक. ओके, चलो नाउ न्यूमेरिकल्स करो and tell the answer. And here one thing you have to understand, some more things you have to understand. लिखो, नोट बोल के लिखो. Suppose मान लो displacement time is we got like this curve, up curve, concave upwards बोलते हैं. उसमें आपको लिखो एक्सेलरेशन इज पॉजिटिव, आपको आगे आएगा, बट रिमेंबर एक्सेलरेशन इज पॉजिटिव, ऐसा कर्वेचर आए तो, अपवर्ड्स आए तो. ओके, इफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट कर्व, displacement time graph, concave downwards is there, so acceleration will be negative. तो याद रखो, शॉर्टकट है, याद रखो, acceleration is positive, acceleration is negative. And दूसरा second note, if v and a are having the same sign, so इसका speed क्या होगा? Speed increase or decrease? If acceleration and velocity are in the same direction, speed will increase.
Increase.
Similarly, if velocity and acceleration having opposite sign, speed will decrease. लिखो, ये शॉर्टकट है, लर्न करो, ग्राफ्स में बहुत यूजफुल होगा.
So velocity is also negative, no, if acceleration is negative. Or
नहीं, दोनों सेम साइन है तो स्पीड इज इंक्रीजिंग. ओके, इफ वेलोसिटी इज व्हाट यू टेलिंग?
so acceleration and velocity can differ in sign, no?
हाँ, डिफरेंस है, दैट इज ऑपोजिट साइन. ऑपोजिट साइन में स्पीड डिक्रीजेस, वेलोसिटी इज पॉजिटिव, एक्सेलरेशन नेगेटिव, बैक साइड आ रहा है, सो ब्रेक्स अप्लाई हो रहा है, डिक्रीज हो रहा है, स्पीड विल डिक्रीज. ओके, टेल मी, सपोज मान लो डिस्प्लेसमेंट टाइम इज गिवन टू यू like this, curvature is given. Now comment on velocity, speed and acceleration. Acceleration, speed, velocity and speed.
Sir, acceleration is negative.
हाँ देखो, एक curvature downwards है ना, देखो curvature
Velocity
downwards
is negative.
negative. Okay,
So
acceleration
acceleration negative, velocity negative, speed positive.
speed increase or decreases?
Increases.
Same sign, increase. ऐसा यूज होगा. आपको ऑप्शंस में चेक करना पड़ेगा, दिस थ्री थिंग्स आर सेटिस्फाइड, देन यू हैव टू पुट टिक. Here there is no formula, concept understand करो, that's it. There is no formula here. आपको डिस्प्ले ग्राफ्स में आपको देखो which graph is given to you, प्रॉपर वे में करो, हो जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है? चलो, नो क्वेश्चंस करेंगे एंड टेल द आंसर्स. करो. The position time graph is given. एक कार A का कार B का is given. One angle is 30, one angle is 60 degrees. He's telling what is the ratio of velocities of A and B. Velocity of car A by velocity of car B. He has given position time graph is given to you.
So do they travel the same distance?
Yes.
Sir, one.
One ना भाई.
So
दोनों
just
को
tan theta, right? Sir,
tan
in-
theta is, तो दोनों
Yeah,
सेम.
sir, yeah, sir, 1 by root 3 by root 3 is 1 only.
Okay. Telling final answer. Okay. Tan A का is 30 because slope, right? Slope of velocity, displacement time graph is velocity, right? Tan 30 by tan 60, right? 1 by root 3 by root 3, right? 1 by 1 क्यों आएगा?
Oh, 1 by 3, sorry.
हमारे 1:3 is answer. So मैं, whenever position time is given, we have to find the slope to find velocities. No करो. Position time is given to you. He has given a graph. He is telling find the average velocity in 0 to 2 seconds, 0 to 2 seconds, and 2 to 4 seconds, and 4 to 7 seconds. Find करो. Velocity means we have to find slope. Each section का slope find करो, आ जाएगा.
Sir, in the fourth one, is it at 5?
Fourth one ना, fourth one is 5. हाँ, बीच में तो 5. कितना स्लोप फाइंड कर?
Yes, sir, I got it all three.
Yes.
बोलो.
So first one is 5,
Hmm.
0, 0, and 2, 10. Yeah. First one is 5. Second one is 2.5, and third one is minus 10/3.
Second one is wrong.
So it's minus 2.5.
Minus 2.5.
Sir,
आया क्वेश्चन?
yes.
Yes. So इसका
Oh, yeah.
questions और भी
Minus.
question.
Oh, minus.
See, first of all, 2 to 4 seconds, right? 2 to 4 seconds में आपको graph is decreasing. मतलब if I
Oh,
if I
yeah,
try,
yeah. My bad.
मतलब अपने आप आ जाएगा. When you substitute also you will get. But if you see also, देखो theta is greater than 90, definitely minus में आएगा answer. Okay. So इसका questions और भी है. Questions करके then we have to go for velocity time graph. Okay. So इसमें JEE में questions भी करने वाला है पूरा.